Hi, I'm Gus. So we're gonna do M and O today. Let's start with M. By the way, I'm using Signal DX 0.38. Oh, by the way, I'm using Signal DX 0.38. This was my favorite thickness when I first started writing calligraphy, but now these days I use 0.5, 0.7, 1.0 because it's better for the videos and pictures. By the way, I'm using 0.38 today, M&O. Palma method, some parts easier because small letters and big letters looks pretty much similar, like M. Okay, let's go to N, also N. And all right, let's go to O. Let's go to small letters, M. Let's go to N. So here is kind of important. You need a Nike logo here. And let's go to O, just small O. Okay, today we did M and O, both capital letters and small letters. I hope you are having, some of you having the last day of 2020, some of you having the first day of 2021. Either way, I hope you are having a fantastic day or evening. So, and good luck and stay safe, and Happy New Year. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.